Hello children, let us start from page number 63. You can see here cutting the halwa. Rose halwa stall. Oh, yummy. Cutting the halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Amu and Anu. He is Ramesh. He brought halwa for both the girls. He divided it equally for them. आपके पेरेंट अगर कम ज़्यादा करे तो आप झगड़ते ना उनसे कि आपने दीदी को ज़्यादा दे दिया या भैया को ज़्यादा दे दिया, है ना. सो ही डिवाइडेड, कि झगड़ा ना हो, सो दैट ही डिवाइडेड इट इक्वली फॉर देम. इच विल गेट one part of halwa. Whole part of halwa is this, and after cutting half part, so each will get 2 parts are there and 1 part of, so out of 2 half part of halwa. This piece is too big, we can't eat it, they said. Both the girls are saying, Papa, we can't eat, it's so big part, so divide also. So Ramesh divided the pieces into half again. Now how many pieces will Amu get? So 4 pieces are there. It's a whole part of halwa. It is 2 parts and 4 parts. If 2 parts are there, so each girl is getting half part. Here 4 parts, so Amu will get 2 parts. Okay, so out of 4 part, 2 by 4, because total parts are 4, and out of 4, Amu's part is 2. So here you will write 2. Okay, what part? And otherwise if I will not cross, you will make mistakes, so I am writing here. Okay, what part of the halwa is it? Is it out of 4? Make it even smaller, they asked. Again they both are telling, Papa, we also want a smaller piece. आपने जो किए हैं उससे भी हमें छोटे पीस कर दीजिए. So he again cut the halwa into smaller pieces. Then they both were telling, okay, thank you Dad. So now Ramesh has divided halwa into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. So out of 8, they both will half part halwa. So when you will divide this 8 parts, 4 parts will Amu get, 4 parts will the girls, second girls, Amu and see here Anu. Okay, so 4 by 8 part they both will get. Now turn the page. See here, now how many pieces will each get? So 4 by 8 pieces each will get. Okay, what part of the halwa is each piece now? 4 upon 8 part of the halwa in each piece. So in each piece, so 1 by 8. If Ramesh had cut the halwa into 6 equal parts, how many pieces would each have got? So out of 6, first 2, then 4, then 6. So each girl will get 3 parts. 3 parts for Amu, 3 parts for Anu. Look at your answer for questions 1 to 4 and write. Okay, 1 by 2. First Ramesh has divided the that halwa piece into 2 parts. After that 4 parts. After 6. Then 8. Suppose that 10. If 12. Okay. Now if half halwa is there, so each girl is getting 1 part. Now if halwa is in 4 parts, so each girl will get, then out of 6, 3 parts, out of 8, 4, out of 10, 5, out of 12, 6. Now you will 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Same number you are multiplying in the numerator and denominator, and 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. And other language, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 1 by 2 you are getting. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 1 by 2 again you are getting. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 by 2. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 1 by 2, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 1 by 2. So these all are equivalent fractions, because when you will take reduced form of this, again you will get half parts. And answers I am writing on the green board. Okay.